Replacing a sliding door hinge assembly. Open the door halfway and support it from the bottom. Remove the 2 cable bolts. Remove the 3 hinge bolts. Be careful not to hit the window or chip the paint with your tools. Slowly pull back on the door so you have enough space to slide the hinge forward. Remove the hinge and install the new one. Pull the hinge forward. Line up the hinge to the door. Install and tighten the 3 hinge bolts. Install and tighten the 2 cable bolts. Lastly, clean your work area. Thanks for watching.